First step to installing the loaded lower dash is remove these upper fork bolts. We have to take them all out because they go through this holder here, and we have to get that out of the way. Now before I loosen these up, I checked them with a torque wrench. They were about 14 foot-pounds. We're just going to reuse these original bolts. Those cable guides get removed. The loaded lower dash will then be the guide for the cables. So just to get started, get these wires out of the way, I'm going to bring them through down here. Was 14 right there. Now I just need to route the wires in between the forks. Get that red wire over to the left side and down through here. It just seems to be a better routing for wiring along this side and with these other ones. I'm going to go right in behind these. Don't want to get pinched by the gas tank on there. I'm going to continue to stay tight to the frame down to the battery. We'll see if we can run this wire along with this other one through here already. Try to get a third one in there. See if I can get a hold of that wire. There it is. Beautiful. This other wire here was the only modification that was on this motorcycle when I got it. It was just goes to this plug for a maintainer on the battery. It's a good idea to take your negative side off first, because then if you hit anything with the screwdriver, it won't spark. I'm just going to risk it. I think this terminal bolt is too short. I wonder if I have one that's a little longer. Here's the original one. Oh yes. That one will probably work perfectly. Yep, that's all we needed. A little extra length. What do we have in here for, we got a good fuse in there. Put this right down in here. We'll put them right where the factory puts them. There's a zip tie right here. But look at that, it's too short. Well, I didn't have any longer ones, but what you can do is take two shorter ones, put them together to make a longer one. Yeah, I was just looking for a location for the ground, and I'm going to see if it'll fit over this bolt right here. See if that is a good ground. Put one more tie around that. Reading 12.6. I guess we can put the tank and the seat and the covers back on.